Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are good and fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn the earth and its living world. On the surface of the earth we find land in some places and water in others. The earth surrounding by the atmosphere, there are living things on land, in water, and in the air. The sun is the cause of many natural processes on the earth. Water, land, and air constitute envelopes of the earth, namely the hydrosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere. The biosphere spreads in the other three spheres. The earth crust is hard, it is mainly made of rock. When they travel in hilly region, we see layer of the soil on rocks along road cuts. We see grassy expanses of the land in some places, only sand in others. The land is covered with crop in some places, which is with forests in others sometimes. We get see the deeper layer of soil into which tree roots spread. Students, in the atmosphere there are hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere. Today we are going to learn first biosphere. The envelope of the air around the earth is called atmosphere. As we go higher from the surface of the earth, the air in the atmosphere becomes rare. The air consists of mixture of gases, namely nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide. There are some other gases too in the air in very small quantities. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the rigid outermost shell of planet Earth. Earth's lithosphere includes the crust and the uppermost metal. See here in this picture the scale of the lithosphere. The crust, moho, upper metal, lower metal, D layer, outer core, liquid solid, boundary and inner core. This is the inner structure of the earth. The earth is most covered with this all the layer: inner core, boundary, liquid solid, outer core, D layer, lower metal, upper metal, moho and crust. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the solid rock that covered the planet. This includes the crust as well as the uppermost part of the metal, which is called surface of the earth. All the rock on the earth from the mountain floor is included in the lithosphere. Students, the lithosphere is the solid rock that covered the earth. The structure of the lithosphere. What is the structure of the lithosphere? Inner core, outer core and metallic. These are the structure of earth, and this structure covered the earth. Next, hydrosphere. The totality of water surrounding the earth, comprising all the bodies of water, ice and water vapor in the atmosphere. Examples: water held in the oceans, rivers, lakes, glaciers, groundwater, soil and air. These all are water bodies comes into a hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the hydro is a Greek word. Hydro is a Greek word and its meaning is a water. And sphere means the physical geography. Then hydrosphere means the water geography. The in our earth the 1/3 part is covered with land and other plant part is covered the water bodies means hydrosphere. The scientists generally divided the little blue world into four separate yet overlapping spheres. These spheres are the lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and the hydrosphere. In this unit, we will explore the Earth hydrosphere. The hydrosphere plays a very important role in the evaluation of life as well as weather and the irrigation. Water on the earth evaporates continuously due to the heat of the sun. Water that has percolated into the soil also evaporates due to the heat and enters the atmosphere. As water vapor is lighter than air, it rises up high into the atmosphere. It goes higher, it cools and the condense, forming the very fine droplets of water. The droplets are so small and light they float in the atmosphere, forming the cloud. These small droplets join together and form the bigger drops, which are heavy. They cannot float. Such drops of water fall down on the earth in the form of rain. This process of the evaporation, condensation, and rainfall go on in a continuous cycle. This is known as a water cycle. What is the definition of biosphere? The biosphere is the global sum of the ecosystem. It can also be termed the zone of the life on earth, a closed system, a part of the solar cosmic radiation and heat from the interior of the earth and largely regulating. Living things occupy parts of the lithosphere, hydrosphere as well as the atmosphere. Living things and all the parts they occupy are together called the biosphere. Whatever part they occupy the living things and non-living things, they are together known as the biosphere. These are the layer of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. These four main layers of the atmosphere. The troposphere where we live, the stratosphere which contains the ozone layer, the mesosphere where meteors burns, and the thermosphere where satellites and our Earth's orbit. Atmosphere, Earth's air which is made up of thick layer of the gases, solids and liquids. Troposphere, the layer of the earth atmosphere that closest to the ground contains 99% of the water vapor and 75% of the gases. Ionosphere, the layer of electrically charged particles. Next, thermosphere and exosphere. I hope students you literally understand that the earth and the living world around the earth. Thank you.